Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. Today we will talk about the new game. The game's name is Heartopia. I think you heard something about it. So I'm going to be showing you two ways how you can install this game on your PC and play it right now. So let me show you the first method and I advise you to use it. To play this game on your PC, you have to install Steam. So firstly, install Steam, type in the search box Steam, go to their official website, and here you can easily install it. And of course, if you don't have an account here, you have to create it right now. When just start Steam on your PC, and that's what you will see. Then go to the search box, type here Heartopia, and finally you can easily install it on your PC. Add it to your library, and then just install it. Click on play game, select the necessary path for this game and install it. You can also download an Android emulator, for example LD Player, and then install this game right here. So just use this Android emulator as your phone. This is how the game looks like. You can easily install it just by clicking on the install button and start playing this game. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.